The price tag on dental crowns, Europe vs. Turkey. Dental crowns are a common and effective solution for restoring and protecting damaged teeth. However, the cost of dental crowns can vary greatly depending on the country in which you receive treatment. In this article, we will compare the prices of dental crowns in Europe and Turkey to help you make an informed decision about where to seek treatment. Europe is known for its high-quality dental care, but this quality often comes at a steep price. In countries such as the UK, Germany, and Switzerland, the cost of a dental crown can range from A500 to A1500 per tooth. This high cost can be prohibitive for many patients, especially those without dental insurance. On the other hand, Turkey has become a popular destination for dental tourism due to its affordable prices and high standards of care. In Turkey, the cost of a dental crown can be as low as A150 to A300 per tooth. This significant cost savings is due to the lower cost of living and labor in Turkey, as well as government subsidies for dental care. In addition to the lower cost, patients in Turkey can also benefit from a wide range of dental services and modern facilities. Many dental clinics in cities like Istanbul, Antalya, and Izmir are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and experienced dentists who are trained in the latest techniques. This combination of affordability and quality has made Turkey a top choice for patients seeking dental crowns. When considering where to get dental crowns, it is important to weigh the cost with the quality of care. While Europe may offer high-quality dental services, the cost can be a barrier for many patients. Turkey, on the other hand, provides affordable and accessible dental care without compromising on quality. In conclusion, the price tag on dental crowns in Europe can be significantly higher than in Turkey. By choosing to receive treatment in Turkey, patients can save money without sacrificing quality. Whether you are in need of a single dental crown or multiple crowns, Turkey offers a cost-effective and reliable option for all your dental needs.